friends, welcome to our channel VidhyutYash. Magnets. Hi friends, welcome to our channel VidhyutYash. Fun with VidhyutYash. Using Geo Magnets. Today we're gonna see Geo Magnets. How to make different shapes using Geo Magnets. It's playtime now. It's magic. Where to buy the Geo Magnets? Link is given in the description. Let's get started. Triangle. These are the magnets and three balls and the triangle. Square, 4 magnets and 4 balls. House, 6 magnets, 5 balls. Is a pyramid. Pentagon. 5 balls and 5 magnets. It's a pentagon. Rotating triangle. It's a diamond. Diamond. It's a random shape. Rotating pyramid. Balancing with one stick. Now balance with 2 sticks. Geo Magnets. Can you guess what I'm doing? A big square and we get diamond. Diamond and square. Big zigzag. It's a boat. Do you know? Same force attract or repel. Same pole. Super.
Same poles ripple. Opposite poles attract.
Side poles. Opposite poles don't attract.
Hope you enjoyed this video.